In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take Google Tag Manager access from a client. Google Tag Manager, often abbreviated as GTM, is a powerful tool that allows you to manage and deploy marketing tags, such as tracking pixels or conversion tags, on your website without modifying the code. Sometimes situations arise where you need to remove a client's access to your GTM account, and I'm here to guide you through this step-by-step process to ensure everything goes smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to your Google Tag Manager account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top of the page, and you'll find the Admin tab. Click on it. This section is crucial as it holds all your administrative options such as user management and container administration. Once you've clicked on the Admin tab, direct your attention to the Account column on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll want to click on User Management. This option allows you to view, edit, and manage all the users who currently have access to your Google Tag Manager account. It's an essential area when it comes to controlling who can see and manipulate your tags and containers. Now that you're in the user management section, you'll be presented with a list of users associated with your account. Scan through this list to locate the client's email address whose access you wish to revoke. It's a straightforward list and you should find the email without much hassle. After you've found the correct email address, look to the right. You'll see 3 vertical dots, sometimes called an ellipsis, next to the user's details. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you're going to select the Remove Access option. This critical step will allow you to revoke their entry to your GTM account. Once you click Remove Access, a confirmation prompt will pop up asking you to confirm your decision. Double check that you've selected the correct user and then click Remove to finalize the process. This action ensures the client no longer has authorization to access your GTM account, offering you peace of mind. Before you proceed with these actions, there are some important considerations to keep in mind. You must have administrator permissions on the Google Tag Manager account to remove users. Without the right administrative credentials, you won't be able to make these changes. It's also crucial to decide whether you want to remove access at the account level, where the user has permissions to all containers, or at the container level, granting permission to only a specific container. Make sure you've chosen the correct level of removal to match your needs. And there you have it, a straightforward pathway to managing your Google Tag Manager access, ensuring your GTM account stays secure and only accessible by those who you trust with this responsibility.